I'm a support member on the bridge, focused on the cables installation. What made me want to come on this trip was just the experience of building a bridge. I'd never been part of a bridge build or scaffolding, so wanted to come out, and I've always wanted to come to Rwanda. I've heard it's a beautiful country. Being able to speak Swahili to some of the locals made it easy for them to translate to Kinyarwanda. That way we get the instructions across the first time correctly, and we're able to work safely because we're all on the same page. The students and all the parents are very happy to see that they're going to have a bridge that their kids can use, especially during the heavy rains whenever it floods here. They're able to get across safely. So seeing that, and as we push to the finish line, that makes me really happy to see the bridge come together. My favorite part of the experience has been working alongside with the community members and just seeing the joy in their eyes as we put together this bridge that's going to serve the community for a long time.